Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the Haram filter on Instagram. And then once you have it on Instagram, you can then record videos of yourself with it on, and then you're able to save the video to your camera roll and then use it on TikTok or Snapchat, any other social media. Now to get this filter, all you have to do is go over to Instagram and open that up. Once you're on Instagram, you want to go up to where you would create a story and just click on that little plus icon. And then what you want to do is scroll all the way over to the right. Once you do that, you will see this browse effects option. You want to go ahead and click on that. And then once you do that, you want to go up to the top right where it is the search bar, click on that. And then you just want to search for the number 7. And then you want to go over to your extra icons here and just click on this weird squiggly line right here that I just clicked on there. Once you click on that, you will then see this 7 universal option right here. You can then click on that there, and this is the Haram filter. You can then go ahead and save it to your camera roll, and then you're able to create your own videos with it. And like I said, once you just save the video on your camera roll from Instagram, you can then go ahead and post it on TikTok or Snapchat or any other social media platform that you would like to. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get this filter saved. If this video helps you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.